While many of kids spend their childhood watching television, playing online games, and getting pampered by their parents, but at that very age, there are some kids from India. They have set the world record. They have achieved what we cannot achieve till the end of our life. So here in this video, it is very necessary for me to inform you about these kids because they can inspire you, your kids, your brothers and sisters. So please watch this video till end. My dear friends, in these kids, number one is Ramesh Babu Pragananda. Is a chess prodigy from Chennai who became the youngest international master in the history at the age of 10 in 2016. Just think, at the age of 10, when we are involved in playing games and watching television, getting pampered, he created history and became the youngest international chess master in the history. That's not all. In 2018, Ramesh Babu became the fourth youngest person ever to achieve the title of Grand Master after Sergey, Gukesh D and Javakir. He has won many titles internationally too. In October 2019, he created history by winning the World Youth Championship in the under-18 section with a score of 9-11. And in December 2019, he has become the second youngest person to be rated 2600 ELO. Number 2, Lydian Nadeshwaram is a young Indian pianist from Chennai who won the CBS talent show The World's Best in 2019 at the age of 13. You might have, or if you're not, I suggest you to please watch a movie named Atkan Chatkan, highly inspirational movies for kids by A.R. Rahman. Lydian also won $1 million as prize money. He stunned the judges on the show by playing 280 beats per minute. Then he increased his speed to 325 beats per minute. How did he manage to do that? Well, Lydian spent 4 years at A.R. Rahman's Camp Music, and now he is tutored by his father Varshan Satish, who is a music director. After winning the show, he also featured on the Ellen show. His love for music has grown ever since. He also has a YouTube channel and Instagram page where he shares his music and composition with his fans. Number 3, whom you might have seen in the media channels and all, Lisipriya Kanjugan, a climate activist from Manipur, was one of the youngest speakers at the 2019 United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change COP2 that was held in Spain in 2019. She was only 8 years old then. Right now she might be 9 or 9.5 years old. Lisipriya is one of the youngest climate activists in the world, and she is popularly known as India's Greta Thunberg, who is international, environment a protection warrior there internationally. At the age of 6, she was already attending meetings, protesting and organizing. Think, at the age of 6, she was attending the meetings, campaignings, organizing. She has been campaigning for climate change in India since 2018. She came into the limelight in 2019 after she started spending a week outside the Indian Parliament House to draw the attention of PM Narendra Modi. In August 2019, she was honored with the World Children Peace Prize in 2019. That's really very surprising, and the world has recognized her the child prodigy as well.
I'm big or small, but we have to fight with the climate change and with natural disaster. And we have to tell to the people that this is not the right answer that you are telling. You should be shy. If you are small, then you are not doing this kind of things. But now I'm only 8 years old. I've just finished Shade 7.
Next is Arshdeep Singh from Jalandhar, Punjab, is a young wildlife photographer from Jalandhar who created history by winning the most prestigious award while Young Wildlife Photographer of the Year, Asia in 2018 when he was just 10 years old. His story is very inspiring. He won the award for his candid snap of the two outlets spinning out of the waste pipe. He developed a passion for photography when his father gifted camera a lens to him on his 5th birthday. Can you imagine? He started clicking photos of his pets and birds around the house, and that's how he developed interest in wildlife photography. He has won many titles ever since. In 2020, he was honored with the title of Wildlife Photographer of the Year 2020. Can you imagine? This is how great. Fifth, and that is none other than our Kautilya Pandit. He is world famous, and through media we all come to know about him. Is a 5-year-old genius from Haryana who has an IQ of 130. Point to be noted, my dear friends. Points. And this has earned him the title of Google Boy Kautilya Pandit. Pandit is known as human computer for a reason. He is extraordinarily good with general knowledge and current affairs. Without any guidance, he has the ability to recall the necessary details and statistics. 213 countries with an IQ of over 130 points. He is truly a gifted kid. He was just 6 years old when he participated in Kaun Banega Crorepati, that is KBC, I'm sorry. He was the youngest contestant in the history of the show to reach the hot seat. In 2016, the little boy also addressed 115 CEOs from multiple sectors as guest speaker at HM Network Advantage India. Pandit was honored with the Global Child Prodigy Award in January 2020, and he was also listed among the top 100 child prodigies of the year.
We should do an overall development, and that overall development can happen when we go for it, when we go for different things, when we take different small things and then do.
The next in this list is Yatharth Murthy. Is a 14-year-old entomologist from Karnataka. He sings the national anthems, and this is why he has become the child prodigy, who has earned laurels by singing the national anthem of over 260 countries. He has also featured in the Limca Book of Record not once but twice. Murthy can also play the national anthem of keyboard. Through keyboard he can play national anthems. He entered the Limca Book of Records in 2016 for being able to sing the maximum number of national anthems. Now he is keen on getting his name in Guinness Book of Records. He has recorded his name in the Limca book. Now he's keen to record his name in the Guinness Book of Guinness Book of Records. He has won many titles and awards over the past few years. In fact, in January 2020, he received the top 100 Global Child Prodigy Award. He was also recognized as one of the top child prodigies of India. The next in this list is Nihal Raj. Is one of the youngest chefs in the world. He is only 10 years old, and he is known for his extraordinary inborn developed skill and talent for cooking. Raj hails from Kerala, and he is fondly known as Little Chef Kicha. Alright, he has his own YouTube channel and website. There he regularly posts videos of his new recipes. Mickey Mouse mango ice cream was his very own creation that got him fame in 2015. After that, he was all over the internet. Even Facebook signed a whopping $2,000 deal with him, and he also featured on the Alan show, where he taught Alan to cook Kerala's popular breakfast puttu, and of course you can see him by his pic and all.
Sometimes. Sounds like not at all. So how do we make this breakfast? What do we do?
This is called the puttu kutti.
we you put all the ingredients here and put the
Number 8 is Adbit Kolarkar is a 5-year-old art prodigy. You might have watched Tare Zameen Par from something like that from Canada. I mean, he's from India and he shifted to Canada with his parents and all. He has held exhibitions in India, US and Canada, and he is selling his paintings for over $1,000. Point to be noted, at the age of 5 he is selling his paintings at the rate of $5,000. That can be something extraordinary, my dear friends. Adbit discovered his fascination for color and composition when he was less than a year old, point to be noted. And by that time, he already knew how to set apart the minutes, a minute test of color differences between shifting to Canada with his family. He hosted an exhibition of his fine work in the Art 2 gallery in Pune at the age of 2. Later, he held a solo exhibition at the St. John Art Center in Canada called The Color Blizzard, where he ended up selling paintings for $2,000. Recently, his work was displayed at the annual Art Expo in New York, making him the youngest to ever do in 40 years of history. And so far,
I like abstract art because it gives me the power to express my heart freely.
very nice. Next is Master Trupraj Pandya was awarded with certificate from the Guinness Book of World Records for being the youngest ever tabla master when he was 6 years old in 2016. Point to be noted. He started playing the tabla when he was just 18 months old. His first public performance was at the age of 2 at Mumbai Somaiya College. When he turned 3 and he played live at All India Radio, he also played for Doordarshan when he was 4 years old. These days, he continues to follow his passion. He also has his own website that you can check out more about his talented kids and all. Number 10th, last but not the least, that is Tilak Mehta. You might have watched him with Vivek Bindraji. Tilak Mehta is one of the youngest entrepreneurs from India. At the age of 13, he made a digital courier company by providing one-day parcel service with the help of Mumbai Dabbawala. Tilak, who is now 15, is the founder of a company called Paper and Parcel that was established in 2018. He decided to venture into logistics when he was in class 7. His company Paper and Parcels is a startup which provides door-to-door pickup delivery services ranging from a pen to all your essentials domestics. In January 2020, he was awarded the Global Child Prodigy Award, and he also featured in the top 100 prodigies list of 2020. Now he has renounced companies like Metropolis and Hindustan Times. So guys, these 10 kids from India, they have set the world record. They are international celebrities more than any so-called pseudo celebrities, and these stories can inspire your kids. If you are a kid, that's perfect. You can get inspiration. If you are not, please tell the stories of these kids to your brothers, sisters and your kids. That can bring great changes in their life. I don't want you to put unnecessary pressure at the age of childhood, because that time they are supposed to play what they are supposed to do. But yes, you can do something great for them. That's all. Thank you very much for watching My Career Doctor. Stay happy and be the best. Please write in the comment who is your favorite child prodigy in this list and why, and whom did you know already. Stay happy and be the best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.